PHIPULO Tuya Wifi Digital Electronic Smart Door Lock. With biometric camera fingerprint keyless, entry hotel apartment locks. PHIPULO Tuya Wi-Fi digital electronic smart door lock feature. 1. 5 unlock ways. Fingerprint, password, IC card, mechanical key app 2. Carved alloy material built strong enough to protect your home. 3. Indoor double lock knob gives you one more safeguard. 4. Emergency power supply in case of lost power. 5. Low battery warming. One-time full charge can work about 3 months. 6. English voice and menu. 7. Query unlock records in the lock. 8. Suit for lots of door type. Wooden door, stainless steel door, bronze door, double door, old-fashioned security doors. 9. Left open and right open all compatible.